Today I want to share a little secret about how I've been stacking silver without paying those crazy dealer markups. If you've been buying precious metals for any length of time, you know the struggle. You look at the spot price, you get excited, and then you go to checkout only to see the premiums that make your jaw drop. Well, for a while now, I've been getting my silver at Longhorn Gold and Silver, which is right up here in North Texas, and lately, I want to say over the past 3 or 4 months, I've managed to snag silver under spot price. When you consistently buy under spot rate, every single dollar you put in goes straight to the real value within the silver, and that brings me to one of the reasons I'm doing this. Every single month, I set aside a simple, steady budget, about $100 for myself and at least an ounce, whatever that happens to be, for my kids. Nothing crazy, nothing that breaks the bank. Just a consistent monthly habit. For me, it's about wealth preservation and having something tangible, but for my kids, it's a bit more than that. And this is just a small, little sample of what we've been able to do over the years with just $100. We have hundreds of ounces, all unique, all very cool. Instead of buying gadgets that end up in a closet or toys that get outgrown in a week, I'm putting real money into their hands, and I'm teaching them about sound money, savings, and long-term planning. Holding a heavy silver coin or bar into your hand teaches a lesson about the value that a number on a screen just can't match. The cool part is, my kids absolutely love it. They love sitting at the counter with Pete and looking at all of the silver and selecting their favorite for that month. By just stacking $100 a month for each of them, especially when catching those deal prices under spot, those little stacks are growing surprisingly fast. By the time they're ready for college, buying their first car, or starting out on their own, they won't just have a nest egg, they'll have a deep understanding of financial discipline. So if you've been on the fence about starting a stack for your family, my advice is just to start small and stay consistent. Find a solid local shop like Longhorn, look for those under-spot opportunities, and turn your goals into a monthly ritual. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're stacking for your kids too and what your monthly goal is. But right now, let's see what they got. So with about $100, I went in first and got 1 ounce right here. This is a Sunshine Mint bar. Absolutely love these classic pieces because this is the majority of what my grandmother held, and as she's the one that got me into understanding silver, it's a good piece to honor her. I also got me another Morgan. This is an 1881 New Orleans Morgan dollar. So with $100, I was able to get about 1.75 ounces. Isn't that crazy? And oh yeah, by the way, spot when I bought this was $57.67, and I bought these for $57 flat. As you know now, it's up in the 60s. Let's go next with my daughter. She is very keen on certain themes, one of them being Christmas. She loves having a Christmas round there, so she wanted this Merry Christmas to All round, which is a dated round. Because believe it or not, it used to be a thing where you could buy silver during Christmas for your family. 2006 being this one. I was in college at the time. Really cool piece, so that will be part of her stack. And she also found a bar, a 1 ounce bar. And this one is Mother's Day, a 1982 Mother's Day bar. Really cool piece there. Just blank on the back. She absolutely loves her mother, so this was a good pickup piece for her. And for my son, he also found him a little bar, a classic one, a Silvertown bar. Most of you know what this is. Gorgeous little stamp bar there. And he also got a nice piece. This is Canadian 2013, and it is the Pronghorn Antelope. Really cool piece there. So theirs were about $114 for their 2 coins, and mine, of course, was right at $100. And their little tubes and stacks are growing. So that's really fun for us to do every single month, and I want to bring that journey to you every single month, which leads to things like this happening, a real 2-ounce Queen's Beast that I got for under spot. Really cool. That's what we have. We have an APMEX unboxing coming up. We have some more cool coins to review, so you want to make sure you're subscribed and watching along with us. But until next time, please remember to stay classy and current with the culture of currency.